Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a car lift supporting ramp with an Audi A1 Sportback. The first step is we will need two ramps. One ramp for the left and one ramp for the right rear wheel or tires. The first thing you are going to do is get the ramps underneath your rims and bring the ramps in one line with the vehicle edge. If you do not do this, maybe your car will drop to the floor if you lift your car up on these ramps. So take care of this. It is important to get the vehicle and the ramps in one line because your rims or your tires will go up to the upper side of the ramps and they have to stay there. That means you have to try that the tires has this matched position on top of the ramps. And of course you have to look that the edges of your frame of the car will not damage the ramps too. So have a seat at the driver's side. Start the engine by pushing the clutch and the brake pedal, then switch to gear reverse and release the handbrake. Then it's time to get up the car. Engine is still running, of course. Now release the brake pedal and the clutch pedal a little bit. Maybe you will need a little bit of acceleration. So push the acceleration pedal a bit and then you can lift the car up. Yeah, there it is. Smooth and gentle. Do not go over the edges of the ramp. This is not good. So if you are reach the top of the ramps, switch off the engine, then switch to gear number 1 and pull the handbrake to a upper position. Now your car is supported. Now we are going to support, of course, your car, and then we can work under it. Safety. First step is switch to the gear number 1 and pull the handbrake. This is important. Then we are going to use two supporting wedges to support our front wheels. Do this because this is the last chance to support your car in case of emergency if your handbrake have a malfunction and your engine is not your engine, your gear is or has a malfunction, then it will support you. So that it is. We are worked under the rear side of our car. Job's done. Now remove the supporting wedges. Have a seat at the driver's side. And then we are going to bring back the car again on the ground. So for this, push the clutch pedal, push the brake pedal, switch the ignition on and start your engine. Then you have to do is switch to gear number 1, remove the handbrake, and then come smooth and gentle back on the ground again. Yeah, easy as you can see. Job's done. Now pull the handbrakes and switch off your car, and then your car is again supported. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.